Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. So in this tutorial, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make donut cushion. So this donut cushion. So I made it with two different colors, like so. It's a pink and with a spot one. So this is the one I bought it. The fabric is 1 yard, but it's not enough to make this circle. So I use the one I have at home, the pink color. You can use it in many different ways. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is measure out your circle patterns. I'm using a plastic bag to measure out. So mine is 9 inches, leaving half inches for seam allowance. So the top part is 4 inches, so about 4 inches. Because I make the circle really big, I cannot use it the same color, so I use different color for the second parts. And you lay it out on different color and cut it out the shape. After sewing the outer layer of the circle, and then you sew it the inner circle, but leave a space for adding the pillow. So this is what it looks like after sewing it, and you turn it inside out. And now it's time for adding some cotton. So I use a pillow that I have at home, and then I use almost a pillow. You add it little by little. So after I fill in the cotton, I use hand sewing to close the circle. And now for the final transformation. So this is what it looks like, and you can use it two different colors. So I use it as when you're reading a book or your arm resting, or you can use it as a laptop holder. This is really useful. Thank you for watching my DIY tutorial. Make sure to check out other videos on my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.